Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize
Yuna's 7th birthday, March 15 at Rainforest Pavilion.
live your life like it was running out with a light.
Mama and Papa, thank you to celebrate my birthday because you love me and you always ready to go to school. Thank you. I love you. To my teacher and my classmates to celebrate my birthday.
Carrying the load. I'd do anything to make you see what it's like. 'Cause everything is different when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. We gotta breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you
Wishing you
want.
good health, happiness in life, strength of body and mind. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo today.
Wish ni Mama sa'yo, makatapos kang ng pag-aaral mo and maging God-fearing and maging mabait na bata, maging successful ka. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung ihahanda naming birthday parties para sa'yo. Yuna, happy 7th birthday! We love you!
Baby.